My previous Yoga Nidra meditation, Yoga Nidra Another Way, was different from the usual ones that focus on the practitioner's body. It was a practice that expands the awareness beyond the body and immediate surroundings and can induce a state of deep relaxation. In this Yoga Nidra 2 advanced guided meditation, I am going to present it yet another way. This guided Yoga Nidra, if followed correctly, has the potential to improve physical as well as psychological well-being. Meditations begin with awareness of breath and thought. So lie down on your bed, straight, keeping your hands and legs slightly apart. The room should be dark and comfortably cold. Close your eyes, be aware of your breath. Watch how air is flowing in and out of your body through your nostrils. This will slow down your anxiety, stress, thought, and breath. Now think of a light like a flame of a candle light. Close your eyes and imagine that this light comes and stands still on your belly button. Imagine this divine light penetrates your abdomen and enters within. The light gradually spreads to the small intestine, then to your large intestine. Pause a little there. Then proceed to pancreas. Pause again. Then to stomach. Pause. Go ahead to gallbladder, liver, all the while curing your ailments. Try and feel your organs are cured, rejuvenated. They are becoming healthy again. You feel very happy about it. Maybe you'd like to go over the process again and again. Now come to another vital organ which is behind your back. They are your kidneys. Bring your divine light to focus on your kidneys that are just below the rib cage, with one on each side of the spine. Pause for a few moments there. Cure and rejuvenate them. It is time to go higher and concentrate on heart. Focus your light on the 4 chambers of heart that receive and pump blood throughout the body. Concentrate on the arteries, veins, and focus on the heart muscles that produce electric impulse. Imagine the divine light taking care of your heart, making it strong and healthy. Then come higher up, bring the light on your throat. Concentrate on the thyroid gland that plays a key role in regulating the metabolic rate of the body. Focus on the throat for a while. Finally, bring your divine light to keep it stationed on your forehead between 2 eyebrows on your 3rd eye. which is actually pineal gland. Concentrate on the light. Try to feel that this light has driven away all disease, all ailments from your mind and body. You are a happy person now. You can sleep now without any anxiety. You feel strong and healthy. Sleep now.